Okay guys, so this is rule number 5 in our sparring progression. The left leg's going to be out in the back stance. First thing I'm going to take you through is the offense, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is going to jab the head, and the progression is going to be high, low, high, low. So when I'm teaching class, I'll do that maybe 3 times. 1, he jabs, 2, he jabs, 3, he jabs. When he gets that right, we're going to go to number 2. Number 2 is a reverse punch to the body. And you think about the idea of like your head, if you put your finger on your nose and your solar plexus, how big is the gap between that? Well, when I see him punching, I want to make sure that there's a gap that's that much also. Same idea, same concept, I'm making him throw a reverse punch 3, 4, 5 times. Now after that, the third one's going to be back to the head. Front arm's going to ridge hand. Now when we do this one, this is going to attack the back of the head. So once again, he's going to do 3 or 4 of those. Now, as he ridge hands, he's reaching forward to attack the back side of the head. As he comes back out, he's number 1 going to round kick the body. So that's going to be our next technique. And once again, I can have them train some round kicks. It's in their contact skills, it's in their forms, all those things. The last one, after he throws that round kick, he's going to get his distance. He'll take 2 steps backwards. So he's working the same retreat step that he does in all of his one steps, all of his counter aggressions, his bully prevention, everything retreats back 2 steps, gives me a better vision of what goes on. Then number 2 round kick goes to the head. He lands back and goes down. So if I'm teaching class, I can break that down into a lot of segments. Now, so that's going to be, we're going to go through it one time with all the punching real quick. So head, body, retreats 2 steps back, head, lands in front, and then it would start over again at that time. Now, we're using it in sets of 3s. So if he's attacking me, he's going to do that 3 times while I block 3 times. So now I'll take you through the blocks. First block is going to be outside block, that's front arm. That's block number 3. Second one's going to be low block, that's going to block the reverse punch. Last one's going to be outside the head, that blocks the ridge hand. Then he's going to block the round kick to the body. Then his partner is retreating backwards 2 steps, throws the round kick to the outside of the head, and that's block number 5. This is what it's going to look like real fast. Left leg is out. So I'm going to attack. I'm stepping in 1. I'm going body 2. I'm tracking my hands 3. So as I'm here, I'm kicking on the way out. 2 steps backwards. Leg comes up, round kick. I'll land in front. I'll step backwards and I start over again. Head, body, step back, round kick, land, and retreat back away. So that's how we explain and teach sparring combination or sparring rule number 5. The last thing is obviously give yourself some progression. If you have a new, brand new level 1 green belt, he's not going to absorb all that. He just had to add 8 or 10 moves to his pattern. So if you want to have him just do jab, reverse punch, you want to add the ridge hand, that's fantastic. If your adults can handle it, once again, that gives you a chance to do what you feel that you can handle in your classes. But that's the overall goal of rule number 5, is attack and block all 5 zones.